like this.
Hai teman-teman,
Halo teman-teman, apa kabar?
jumpa lagi di channel kami ya. Jadi hari ini Cik Kumar dia mau membuat makanan India lagi dan itu adalah paratha, parantha yes.
Paratha, allo paratha with green onion. Like allo is potatoes, my here can say potatoes paratha.
Jadi ikutin vlog kami.
Ready prepared powder, and we have this. This is the potatoes and green onion. We have like first boil potatoes, and then we have cut green onion, and then we have mix. So we already have prepared that masala, and then let's start. Okay. So
jadi Cik Kumar sudah mempersiapkan ini ya teman-teman ya, kentang ini ya, kentang yang sudah dihalus-haluskan. Jadi paratha ini banyak macam jenis ya. Yang paling favorit di sini itu kentang paratha ya.
we can do like this.
Dari tepung gandum.
Then we can make in perfect size.
Perfect. Jadi orang India itu pandai buat roti ya.
After that we can put this ball inside this, and then we can close.
Wow.
Can close like this.
Ya.
Then we can using this powder again.
Cepat ya kalau Cik Kumar
This
buat ya.
getting big.
Getting cycle. Wow.
This go inside so
Big.
much. Yes. Why we need circuit anything?
Just looking good. Oh yeah.
So this, you can see here potatoes and green onion getting mixed properly inside, right? Later I'm show you when has it done, then I will show you with open.
Okay.
So here this, if we have buy on like on street, then maybe this paratha can have selling on 50 rupees, and but if we have go good restaurant or then maybe 100 rupees. With that they can getting like pickle and can getting curd also, like dahi my here say.
Yes.
So that, but mostly people have here eating paratha in breakfast, right? Can putting butter like this. Can show here, putting butter like this on top of this. Can using oil also, but we have using butter here. Can using any oil also here. If can putting butter both side, and then
Ini wangi ya teman-teman ya, wangi kentang gitu teman-teman. Kalau dilihat gini kayak apa, roti biasa ya, tapi ini wanginya bagus loh wanginya. Roti canai. Roti canai. This most
have big size like this.
yes, roti canai. Roti canai is big, most favorite in Malaysia.
Oh.
No, sorry.
See, before I'm putting much oil, but not have here oil now. And this see have brown color anything, so we can
Complete?
remove.
Okay.
We have closed here properly, so because when we have to like mix wait, I make this small. So that time is not getting come out all masala as potatoes, so we need to just take care that. That's why we can put powder here little extra, so then not come out. See this. Like
Yes.
my here, like they have making many type of paratha, but mostly people have eating this potato paratha.
Yes. This most favorite.
Most favorite here, potatoes paratha. So college hostel, that time I don't know how to cook food or anything, but after in corona time I have at home, so I learned how to make food, anything. This fan good. Guys, we have done with making paratha, so let me show you how looking inside.
Sekarang kita mau cobain paratha ya.
See, you can see
Can
inside.
put there maybe.
So,
Jadi dalamnya seperti ini ya teman-teman ya, tuh kelihatan nggak? Jadi kentangnya itu di dalam gitu loh.
you can see here like properly have getting mixed potatoes and green onion on full shape. So
Makannya itu pakai pickle ya. Pickle itu ini teman-teman. Apa ya ini namanya ya? Kalau di kita itu kayak cabai teman-teman, cabai besar yang dijadikan asinan gitu teman-teman tuh.
how good?
Oke teman-teman, jadi kita makan dulu ya. Selamat makan. Jadi kentangnya itu terasa ya. Terus karena masaknya itu dipanggang gitu, jadi kentangnya tuh kayak rasa-rasa smoky gitu loh teman-teman.
This chili how good here?
Come and do small for you.
You there have pickle
Yes,
from
have, but
chili or
yes,
different have?
Have many type, but I'm forget it.
But not like this,
I
right?
forget what
Have like this?
this name. Yes, like this have, but
No.
case have different. Jadi paratha ini enak teman-teman, buatan Kumar. Good.
Good. So guys, please like this video and put your suggestion on comments, okay? And subscribe this channel. Okay.
Oke teman-teman, jadi videonya cukup sampai di sini ya. Oke teman-teman, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
Bye bye. Terima kasih. Take care.
Bye-bye.